Alan and Gareth, congratulations. Aaron and Gareth, yeah, let's get it right. Emotional. How good was that, Aaron?
Yeah, it was a great performance from the boys. You know, we come here believing that we could get the result, and we managed to do it. You know, it was we kept ourselves in the game. You know, we defended really well, and then we obviously got the goal before half time, and then it opened up a bit more.
Collector's item, a header.
Yeah, you know, it was. You know, shut my eyes and just get my head on it, and thankfully it went in.
How good a performance was it, though?
Yeah, it was a great performance. You know, I was speaking to some of the boys in there, and Jin said that was maybe the best performance away from home that he's been involved in. So, you know, it was. You know, we looked quite comfortable out there tonight, and you know, we played with a lot of belief, and yeah, we had a great performance.
There's going to be a roommate saying it's been a tough week for you. Explain that.
Yeah, well, my nan passed away on the weekend, so yeah, that's why it's been quite tough. And you know, my goal was for her, and yeah, I'm just really proud that I could score the goal for her, and I know she's looking down on me.
And the man alongside you, how good was he tonight?
Yeah, he was unbelievable as usual. You know, every time he comes away with Wales, you know, he puts on a performance, and he got 2 goals himself and an assist. So it was a good job for him tonight as well.
Belgium next month in June.
Yeah, Belgium, we'll all be looking forward to that, and you know, it's going to be a tough game, but you know, we're full of confidence at the moment. We're top of the group at the moment, so you know, why not?
Last one to you. Injury okay?
Yeah, I feel okay at the moment. Yeah.
Gareth, many congratulations. You joined Cliff Jones and Rob Earnshaw and Mark Hughes on 16 goals for Wales. But how special was that for you?
Yeah, no, it's obviously great to score for Wales and all that comes with it, but the most important thing tonight was the victory. I think we put a great performance in, like Aaron said, and yeah, just really worked hard. Every single player on the pitch deserves all the credit.
Is that as good a performance as you've seen from a team since you've been playing?
Yeah, definitely, especially away from home, especially under the pressure that we were under. Probably the biggest game we've had in 12 years or so. So to perform under pressure like that gives us a lot of confidence and belief going forward.
What a statement it is from this team towards the group, do you think?
Yeah, it's a statement. It's no secret we want to qualify, and to qualify you've got to win hard games, tough games, come to places like here and win, and we certainly did that tonight.
Aaron Ramsey talking about having had a tough week. You've had a few things thrown at you as well. Was that an answer to your critics tonight?
No, I don't need to answer the critics. I think I know everybody around me knows what I can do, and yeah, there's ups and downs in football. You have to take it with a pinch of salt, and yeah, I think all you can do is respond with performances on the pitch like that. But yeah, I don't feel I need to prove anyone wrong or right. I just needed to play my football.
You just tend to switch off from everything else around you on Wales duty?
Yeah, I said I love playing for Wales. It's a big honour for me, and yeah, the most important thing is I just concentrate on my football. I don't listen to anyone else what they're saying, and just enjoy my football with the boys.